Hi, I'm Carla from Flowingcreek, and today I'm going to show you how to make this fall thank you layered paper greeting card. You can get the files for this project from my Etsy store. I'll put the link in the description. Here are the supplies you need to make this project. You will need some cardstock. I'm using 65-pound cardstock. You can make this project in whatever colors you like, but if you want to make it just like mine, these are the colors I used. I'm using paper from the Recollection Spice Market paper pack. The red, brown, and orange come from this pack. The light brown is craft paper, but you could use any light brown that you prefer. For the card base, I'm using white cardstock, but you could use any color or even a pattern if you like. If you would like a stiffer card base, you can also use 110-pound cardstock for the card base. Okay, so let's make the project. Today, I'm using my Cricut Joy to cut out this project. This project is designed to work on other cutting machines too. I'm going to just briefly show you what the project looks like in the software. If you already have your card base, I recommend hiding the card base layer because you will not need it. Through the magic of video, my pieces are cut and ready for this project. I like to dry fit my cards so I know which side needs glue and which way I need to assemble the card. I'm using this glue dispenser I got on Amazon. It lets me put nice small amounts of glue on my paper. The glue I'm using is the Aleene's Tacky Glue from the dollar store. You can use whatever glue you prefer. I like this glue because it works well, it dries clear, and it is not expensive. I'll start gluing these pieces and assembling the card. So that's it. The card is done. Thank you for watching my tutorial today. If you enjoyed this project, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one. To download more projects like these, visit my Etsy store or visit my website at flowingcreek.com.